Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make pork chop in tomato onion sauce. Here is my dog Diamond, just came back from his groomer. Let's look at the ingredients now. Full recipe is in description underneath the video. Please remember to subscribe to my channel for recipe of other yummy food. I like my dish to have more veggies like onion, tomato, and red pepper here. First, prepare ginger juice, which is a vital ingredient for marinating pork. Put the grated ginger into a mesh bag and squeeze the juice out. Add other ingredients of marinade like salt, sugar, 5-spice powder, white pepper, soy sauce, cooking wine, and egg. Add cornstarch, then stir the marinade well. Wipe dry the pork and cut it into 3 by 3 inch pieces. Pound each piece with a meat mallet slightly for 2 to 3 strokes. Do not over-pound. Add pork chop pieces into marinades, then mix well. Add oil now and mix well. Marinate for 2 hours. Prepare minced shallot and garlic, red pepper, tomato, and onion. Prepare sauce as well. After 2 hours, drain pork from marinades. Heat up pan and add 2 tablespoons oil. At medium heat, pan fry each side of pork chops for about 2 to 3 minutes. Flip the meat now. Pan fry for another 2 minutes. Scoop out. Let's cut a piece to check if the pork is cooked. Heat up a clean pan and add 1 tablespoon oil. Saute onions at medium heat for about 1 minute. Add shallots and saute. Then add garlic and saute. Add tomatoes and wine, then saute. Add sauce, then saute, and add water. Cover and cook sauce at medium heat for about 3 minutes. Mix half teaspoon cornstarch with 1 teaspoon water and add it to sauce. Cook sauce until it is a bit thicker. Add pork chops pieces now and red peppers. Stir and saute briefly so they are evenly coated with sauce. Scoop out. Look at the color of the dish and smells really good too. Let me try a piece. So yummy. I love the sweet and sour taste. The yummy pork chop in tomato onion sauce is now ready to serve. Enjoy!